What's up? Did you miss me? Finally, we have a new lazy tutorial. Wow. Import the image, go to filter, camera raw filter. And now kids, use some magic to make this look beautifully. Import an image of a bottle. Wait, why do I need the bottle again? I created this artwork 3 weeks ago, so honestly I have no idea what the hell is going on here. What is this? Fred, what the hell is this? Oh wait, I just remembered it was my first failed idea. Let's just go back. Find some text image, remove the background, select pen tool. Now we need to make a hole in her face. So very carefully create these lines. Careful, 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 stop! Stop! What have you done? Stupid, I told you to be careful. Now go back. Anyway, go and click on selection to transform this into a selection. Create a mask and voila! What do we have there? We have a computer board. How did it get there? Well, I just put it behind the image. Now duplicate the image, move it a bit and make it darker to give it some 3Dness. In case you don't know what 3Dness means, well, what can I do? Today is not your day. Okay, I will explain you. 3Dness means 3D, basically thickness of the face. Draw some shadow using brush and black color. Wow! Carefully start drawing inside the eyes, and when I say carefully, I mean it. Please don't fuck this up like last time, okay? Change the blending mode to color dodge. Start drawing with different colors now. Few thousand years later. Also, as you can see, I decided to create this colorful Christ. I do have a separate full tutorial where I show you how to create this, my dear Francitos. And the last part is to add this beautiful texture. For that you just need to use this image and put it on overlay blending mode. And voila! Isn't this freaking beautiful? If you want to access my premium classes and create stunning artworks, just go to learnfromfred.com and start your free 30-day trial. Like or I will destroy your Photoshop. No kidding.